Hey guys, and welcome to the groundbreaking episode of Master the Russian Verbs. Why this episode is important? Because I was thinking how to teach you the Russian verbs easier, how to give you all the information and all the rules in an easy way. Well, it's not really easy because even in this methodical literature for teachers, they write like there are problems of classifications of Russian verbs for foreigners. Like some scientists give you 9 groups of verbs, 9 groups. Others give you 10 groups of verbs, and all these things really, it's not easy to memorize. This classical approach just is not easy. That's why I'm gonna show you something. For example, the first verbs we'll learn with my students even without talking about conjugation types. The verbs like жить, говорить, знать. We learn it, all the conjugations, like 6 types, we learn them through dialogues. Я живу в Америке. А где ты живешь? Okay. Or я говорю по-русски. А ты говоришь по-русски? Я знаю русский язык. А ты знаешь русский язык? Мои родители знают русский язык тоже. А твои родители знают английский язык? Things like this are going on, and students don't even think about how to conjugate, conjugation types. But as soon as we get to this kind of stuff, to conjugation types, ye pattern, e pattern, yes, students start to think logically. And for example, when they come across a verb like танцевать, to dance, they think, what should I do? I should take off the ending t and try to conjugate it. For example, I dance would sound like я танцеваю. And ты form, like you dance, would sound like ты танцеваешь. But then they discover that it's not quite the thing, because in the verbs like танцевать, that ends with евать, sometimes we should take away the whole евать part. We are left with the stem танц, and we start conjugating it. Я танцую, I dance. Ты танцуешь, you dance. Он танцует, he dances. Okay, мы танцуем, we dance. But if my student received this verb together with another verb, ночевать, which means to spend the night, he knows that these verbs go together because he received them together. Let's say he just takes off this евать, he's left with ночь, and I spend the night would be я ночую. Well, that's the right conjugation. Ты ночуешь, он ночует, he spends the night. Они ночуют, they spend the night. These 2 verbs, they are not just the same in conjugation. They are also connected a bit in the meaning. For example, you can make some associations. Like if I dance all the night, I don't spend the night at home. Yeah, okay, this kind of association. Если я танцую в клубе, if I dance in a club, nightclub, я не ночую дома. I don't spend the night at home. And associations like this, the verbs in use help you to remember conjugations. That's why today I will try it out, this kind of method, and you tell me if you like it. Today I took 4 verbs that are conjugated the same way. First thing you would ask me, all these verbs end with it, right? And I told you that all the verbs that end with it, except for 2 verbs, go to the second type of conjugation, and when we look here we see this yo letter which belongs to the first type. You're like, what? Well, in fact, this verb ends with t because p, b, li, she are parts of STEM. It's a STEM. And what happens with these verbs? The soft sign appears. It's very unusual. It's like instead of letter E, soft sign appears. It's called interchange of letters. It happens, but you don't even have to think about it when you memorize these verbs connected in a little story. Look, ПИТЬ, it means to drink. БИТЬ, it means to hit. ЛИТЬ, it means to pour. And ШИТЬ, it means to sew. Okay, so you come up with a little story. Well, I do it. Я лью, потом я пью, потом я бью, well, because I'm drunk, я бью, not I'm, well, some kind of man, потом я бью, и потом я шью, because I have a wound, I have to sew it, yeah, я шью. So let's try it with ты. Ты льешь, потом ты пьешь, потом ты бьешь и потом ты шьешь. Ты шьешь, потому что because он сначала first льет, потом он пьет, потом он бьет и потом ты шьешь. И он тоже шьет. And he is sewing as well. Because he has wounds and you have wounds as well. Они, our friends, наши друзья льют. Потом наши друзья пьют. Потом они бьют. И потом они шьют. Мы льем. Мы пьем. Cheers. That, how foreigners say that just start learning the Russian language, it's funny, they say на здоровье, which we never use. We say за здоровье, for health. Мы пьем, потом мы бьем, и потом мы шьем. Вы, but not me, вы льете, вы потом пьете, потом вы бьете, и потом вы шьете. So, remembering these conjugations like this will not even make you think what type of conjugation this verb belongs to. You just learn it and use in a little story, and it helps you to remember them and to use them in your speech. I hope it was helpful. We'll meet each other in the next entertaining episode of Master the Russian Verbs. See you!